Alright, this is Curtis. Today he is a 5-year-old that uses the P for the F. So I'm going to elicit the F phoneme to help him out. Alright, first we're going to use shaping. So I'm going to build the shape from the V phoneme, which he already knows, by using minimal pairs for V and F. So just repeat after me, okay? Van.
Van.
Fan.
Fan.
Did you hear the difference? Van and fan.
Van. Fan.
Okay. Vine.
Vine.
And fine.
Fine.
Vix.
Vix.
Fix.
Fix.
Vat.
Vat.
And fat.
Fat.
Veil.
Veil.
Fail.
Fail.
Good. Okay. Now using contextual utilization with the syllable level, you're just going to repeat after me, okay? Fa, fa, fa.
Fa, fa, fa.
Fo, fo, fo.
Fo, fo, fo.
Fee, fee, fee.
Fee, fee, fee.
Fi, fi, fi.
Fi, fi, fi.
Foo, foo, foo.
Foo, foo, foo.
Good. Now at word level. Farm.
Farm.
Form.
Form.
Feast.
Feast.
5.
5.
Future.
Future.
Okay. Now with phonetic placement, I'm going to show him with this mirror. So first watch me say the F sound in the mirror, okay? See that? You bite your bottom lip with your teeth and then blow. You do it. Good. Now look at yourself in the mirror and do it. Good job. Alright, now for tactile cues, you're going to put your hand in front of your face while you're biting your lip and blow, and you can feel the air. So do that. Good job. And that's how we elicit the F sound.